Hi, James. So here's the ways that we were talking about. You can see them right here. This is on the left-hand side of the machine. I'm rubbing my finger across that, and that's, it's smooth. There's no indentations, no nothing. And here's the other side. And here as well. All the way down to here. Very smooth. We checked the other side too. There's no excess wear spots or anything. No grooves. No nothing. Nice machine.